As you know that yesterday, right after the meeting, we decided actually to have a peaceful march right from here to the Secretariat. But we met with some of the government officials who advised us that it will be wise that we do not do it since it was going to block traffic and all. So being teachers, we listened to the government as well. So we went and we met with the DC and we seek his permission. And we got the permission today to have a peaceful protest right from the Raj Bhavan till the Malki ground. Now the reason why we have so less teachers is that while we took the permission from the DC has clearly mentioned that he is going to allow only 30 teachers. So here we are exact 30 in numbers, just as what the government has suggested us. So the reason why we are having this peaceful protest, it is just exemplary of and symbolic that we want to send a message to the government that yesterday's general meeting is not over yet. So we are continuing our agitation. We will continue again. Today we are having a peaceful protest. Tomorrow we will have a sit-down protest at the MBO's office right from 11 a.m. till 3 p.m. And we will sit there every single day, rotational, with 5 teachers. So we do not also want to disturb the board examinations that is going on. Therefore, we from the teaching community, we have decided that we will have 5 teachers who will sit there rotationally. So it will not be the same teachers who will be sitting there. Some of us might be sitting there like continuously, but all the other 4 teachers will sit rotational. And we also want to send a message to the government that you should not take it lightly just because we are not really going full swing. We are not really thinking about the government right now, but we are thinking about the students that we are teaching. And we have this responsibility in our shoulders that in this tussle, in this tug-of-war between the teachers and the government, the students should not get affected. However, we also have a very clear message to send to the government that the moment April arrives, if the government does not take any immediate action, we are going to launch a full agitation and it will be on full strength. We will launch agitation in all the different districts of the state. We will have agitation right here in Shillong as well. Whether we get permission or not,